Welcome to Alta 3 Research, the official training partner for ClearML. ClearML isn't a single role platform, and its training has to reflect that. Our certified ClearML training tracks are mapped directly to real job roles: infrastructure, systems administration, data science, machine learning engineering, and development. These are not stacked courses, and they're not meant to be taken in sequence. They're designed to match the tools, responsibilities, and priorities of each role on your team. The Certified ClearML Infrastructure Engineer course takes you straight to the deep end of the swimming pool. This is where you learn, step by step, how to install ClearML from scratch, deploy it on Kubernetes, and make the entire platform work end to end. If ClearML is already installed and your responsibility is keeping it running, tuning, configuring it, just managing it long term, then the Certified Systems Administrator track is for you. For our data scientists, the focus shifts. You're not here to manage infrastructure. You want to run experiments, to track metrics and plots and tune hyperparameters. That's exactly what the Certified Data Science track is built for. The Certified Machine Learning Engineer track is where experimentation turns into pipelines. As an ML engineer, you're responsible for automation, reproducibility, and getting models from experimentation into production. It's essentially DevOps for AI. The Certified Developer track is for developers building applications on top of all this, integrating AI into real systems, calling models through APIs, and shipping features that depend on everything underneath being stable and well managed are the core priorities of this track. All of these roles work together, and every one of them matters. Each course is designed to focus on one job clearly and intentionally, with data-driven, hands-on labs paired with expert instruction. And to show you exactly what that looks like, let's take a look at our lab environment. What you're seeing here is our fully equipped, browser-based lab platform. It works for any team on any operating system. In this example, we're looking at the Certified ClearML Infrastructure Engineer course, where you can see a focused outline of labs, what you need to know, and get you working directly with the platform. Alongside the labs, you get a personal sandbox environment with real tools, including your own Kubernetes cluster and your own ClearML server. The labs are designed to be challenging but easy to follow, with embedded videos that support your instruction and give you material that you can revisit later. And don't forget to meet Virgil, your built-in AI lab coach. At any point during the course, Virgil is available to answer questions. He's context-aware, always knows which lesson you're in, and is designed to help you move forward without pulling you off track. Courses are available as scheduled public classes, or you can work with us to train your entire team. If you have questions or want to talk through your options, reach out to us at sales@alta3.com. But no matter how we go about it, our goal is the same: to help you get productive faster, deploy with confidence, and learn ClearML from the people that ClearML trusts to teach it.